Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to copy conditional formatting in Google Sheets. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. So let's look at the range of data. As you can see, the cells with the smallest value are filled in green. The cells with the average value are blue, and the largest values are pink. And we need to copy this conditional formatting to two adjacent columns. Select the column and click the Print Format button, and then select the neighboring columns to which we want to copy this color formatting. As you can see, it's very easy to do this in just 2 clicks. But there is also another way to copy conditional formatting, namely the classic copy-paste method. We copy column with conditional formatting and paste it into neighboring columns. Now, without clicking anything, pay attention to the bottom right corner of the last column. This is the paste formatting menu, and it appears only immediately after inserting. Click on it and select Paste Format Only, since we still need the values of these columns. This is how we copy the formatting from one column to the other. It's all. Now we know a little more. Thanks for watching.